Imagine this scenario. It's 2 in the morning, the house is dead quiet, but you are wide awake, standing in the harsh light of the kitchen. You're just staring at a row of amber pill bottles lined up on the counter.
It's a scene a lot of caregivers know all too well, that middle of the night panic.
Exactly. You're the primary caregiver for your mother. She's 75. She tested positive for COVID-19 3 days ago. But here's the thing. It isn't the fever that's scaring you right now. It isn't even the cough.
It's the side effects.
It's the fact that she has developed severe, uncontrollable diarrhea. She's weak. She can barely stand up to get to the bathroom. You're trying to get her to drink water, but it seems like it's just running straight through her.
Which is dangerous enough on its own. I mean, dehydration in seniors is a medical emergency waiting to happen.
And here's the kicker. You look at those bottles. Antibiotics, antivirals, anti-nausea meds. You're doing exactly what the doctor ordered. You're following the instructions in the letter. But instead of getting better, she's fading fast.
That moment right there is the crux of what we're talking about today. Because in that specific scenario, the medication, the very thing that's supposed to save her, might actually be the thing putting her life in immediate danger.
Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're doing something a little different. We aren't just summarizing an article, we're analyzing a specific set of urgent medical advocacy guides. These are basically a toolkit for becoming what's called a senior medical advocate.
This is such a vital skill set. It's about shifting your mindset from being a passive recipient of care. Just taking the pills because a white coat said so to being an active safety check.
Because the patient profile we're looking at today, 75 female, COVID positive, severe diarrhea, is walking a tightrope.
She is. And the sources we're looking at highlight a core conflict in modern medicine. You have the virus, which is the enemy, but then you have the treatment side effects. And for a senior, the dehydration from the side effects can actually be more lethal and faster acting than the virus itself.
That is a heavy concept. We usually think treat the virus at all costs. So today we're going to unpack this medical minefield. We have 3 main pillars to get through. First, we're going to look at what the guides call the diarrhea storm, caused by a specific drug cocktail.
Then we'll move to the hidden danger of silent pneumonia and why the standard just-in-case antibiotics might actually be a trap.
And finally, we'll navigate the complex world of antivirals and drug interactions that can, well, literally stop a heart. It sounds intense, but by the end of this, you'll know exactly what questions to ask.
Let's dive in.
Okay, let's start with this concept of the diarrhea. I think most of us operate on the assumption that if the doctor prescribes 3 or 4 medicines, they've checked how they all interact. They work together like a symphony, right?
Ideally, yes. In a perfect world with unlimited time, that's how it works. But the sources highlight that in urgent care scenarios, especially during surges, it's often